Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing a window banner on my car. So this will be a little bit of a separate video, but still goes into the car wrap video. So I don't know if they'll be posted before this or after it, but I'm wrapping my car in a Christmas themed wrapping paper thing. But right now I'm going to install the window banner. So let's take a look at how I install the window banner. So it's easier to install if you guys want to do it. But this is how I install it. It's pretty easy. You just spray out some liquid, you put your window banner on, squeeze all the air bubbles out, and then you cut it. So I've never seen too many videos on how to do this. There are some out there, but this is how I do mine, so take a look. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to wipe down your window clean. I use this Rapid Tack stuff. So wipe it down clean, and then you spray more on. Then you'll put your window banner on, get it all centered up, measured out, and then you cut it, or you squeeze all the water out, then you cut it, and it should be good to go for as long as you want it on. So for this second part, you're gonna put the banner on. It's easier with the second person, but I'm by myself, so we'll see how it's done. So I made a little bit of a mistake when I designed this. I didn't realize my window, so a lot of times windows are straight across the windshield. Mine kind of comes up a little bit in the corners right up here. So I designed it to be straight across. I don't have my printer with me right now, obviously, so we just have to go with this. I'm gonna be cutting off part of the top of the design, so it's not a big deal. It's just for a month anyway, so I don't really mind. I may fix it later, but that's something to watch out for when you're measuring out your window banners. So basically, now that I got it laid out, now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze all the water out and then cut it. So now that I got all this water squeegeed out, what you want to do is you're going to cut along the seam of your gasket. You just put your blade right next to it and you cut down it, and it should be a good edge. Just don't push too hard because you may scratch the glass, or don't push into your rubber, or else you'll cut the seam and cause a potential leak in your car, which isn't easy to do, so it is kind of tricky to actually get those things to happen. So just have firm pressure and then watch out for your gasket. So now once you got it all cut, that's what it looks like. Just check out your bubbles, make sure they're all out, and yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching everybody. That's how you install the window banner. If you need any help more, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so there you go.